Your season will come. Everybody sing. Mungu bado anatenda. Walikucheka jana, wakasema huwezi, lakini Mungu bado anafungua njia. Ulianguka mara nyingi, lakini bado umesimama. Kila machozi ya usiku yataleta furaha.
Many nights you cried in silence, praying through the pain inside you. Heaven never forgot your story. Better days are coming soon.
Usikate tamaa rafiki, kila giza lina mwisho. Hold on through the pressure, one day your light will shine.
Your season will come.
Usiogope tena,
After the pain and struggle, blessings gonna follow.
simama uende mbele, Mungu yupo nawe.
Keep believing in your journey.
Victory lazima. Victory.
Victory.
Kuna siku taanguka, lakini simama tena. Mungu bado anaandika hadithi yako nzuri.
Every storm will have an ending. Every prayer got a season. From the ashes you will rise, stronger than before.
People talk but keep believing. Better days are slowly coming. When the time is finally right, joy will fill your life.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Kibu ni mwema. Milele yote. Never give up. Rise again.
Cheza leo kwa furaha. Mungu ametufikisha. From the struggle to the glory, now we celebrate. Mikono juu everybody, imba kwa furaha. Kila jambo lina wakati. Mungu ni mwema.
Your season will come.
Usiogope tena.
After the pain and struggle, blessings gonna follow.
Never lose your hope, my brother. Better days are coming.
Ukivumilia kwa moyo,
Ushindi ni wako.
from to victory. Victory.
Your season will come.
Victory.
Oh, yeah.
Victory.
One love, one hope. Keep believing forever. From struggle to victory, your season will come.